This video will show you how to prepare delicious popcorn in the Gourmia digital air fryer oven. Before using the air fryer oven, be sure to read the full user manual. To begin, tap the power icon on the control panel, tap Popcorn, and then tap Start. Preheat will appear on the display and the oven will begin preheating. While the oven preheats, pour half a cup of popcorn kernels into the baking pan. Then, turn the air fry basket upside down and place it on top of the filled baking pan. Once preheated, the oven will beep and add food will appear on the display. Open the doors and carefully insert the baking pan with the upside-down air fry basket into the bottom rack position. Then close the doors. The cook time will begin automatically. When the cook time is over, the oven will beep and end will appear on the display. Let the popcorn sit until all popping is stopped before opening the doors. Carefully remove the popcorn and place it on a heat-resistant surface. Enjoy your popcorn!